on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making McChicken sandwiches. The ingredients I will be showing you in 3 parts. For our chicken patties, we're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast. You want to cut them into small pieces because we'll be using a food processor. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground white pepper, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground sage. For our batter, we're going to need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're also going to need 1.5 cups of ice cold water, which I have in my fridge. We're also going to need butter lettuce, butter, mayonnaise, and I have brioche hamburger buns. Okay guys, first in a small bowl, we're going to get the seasonings for our chicken patties. We're going to add in our ground white pepper, our salt, our sage, onion powder, and garlic powder. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Go ahead and set it to the side. Okay, now I have my food processor. I'm just going to add my chicken to it. Once you've added your chicken, I'm going to go ahead and put in our seasoning. Okay, now we're going to just pulse our chicken until there's no more big pieces and our chicken sticks together. Okay guys, this is how you want your chicken breast to look. You don't want to over pulse it. As you can see, it's sticky. Okay, now you want to remove your chicken breast and just place it into a bowl. Okay, now you want to get a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You're going to take about 3 to 4 ounces of your chicken breast and you're going to form them into thin patties and you're going to place them onto your parchment paper. The patties should look like this. Now we're going to place them in our freezer for 30 minutes. That's going to make them easy to handle when you place them into the batter. Now to a bowl, you want to add in your garlic powder, your chili powder, ground black pepper, paprika, salt, and our baking powder. You just want to mix until well combined. Now you can set it to the side. Now to a bowl, you want to put a sieve over top. We're going to add in our all-purpose flour. You're also going to add in your cornstarch. And we're going to add in our seasoning. And you want to just go ahead and sift it into your bowl because you want everything nice and smooth. Once you're done, you can go ahead and take your whisk and make sure everything is well combined. After 30 minutes, your chicken patties should be nice and firm, where you can handle them easily. So now we're just going to put them into our dry flour. And you want to coat them. And you want to shake off any excess breading. And we're just going to sit them back onto our parchment paper. Now you're going to heat your oil in a pan to 375 degrees. While your oil is heating up, we're going to add into our leftover dry batter the 1.5 cups of cold water. Also to that, you're going to add in your baking powder. You're just going to mix it until it's well combined, and it makes a nice thin wet batter. Guys, your batter should look like this. Now we're going to go ahead and take our chicken patty and place it into our batter. You want to coat it, then we're going to place it into our frying pan. You want to cook your chicken patties in batches until they're nice and golden brown. You don't want to overcrowd your pan. When your chicken patties are done cooking, you want to remove them and place them onto a wire rack. You want all the excess grease to drip off of it. Okay guys, look at how nice and golden these are. Okay guys, look how nice and golden and crispy these came out. So we're just going to let them sit and rest for a few minutes. Okay guys, you want to go ahead and get your mayonnaise and your butter lettuce. There's our chicken patties. And now we have our brioche buns, and we're just going to put some butter on the inside of them, and we're going to toast them. I'm heating my griddle, and then we're going to put on our brioche buns and toast them. We want them to get golden brown. Okay, we're going to remove them now. Okay guys, now it's time to assemble them. I'm going to go ahead and put some mayonnaise onto the top bun. Now I'm going to go ahead and add on some of my butter lettuce. Guys, I already know that the patty is bigger than the bun, but that's how I like it. So I'm going to add my chicken patty onto the bun. And here we have it, our McChicken sandwich. Okay guys, the best part of making these at home, you can make them the way you like, and you know what you're putting into it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?